Hi everyone! Today we'll quickly show you how to install the 2U blank rack panel, the 2U vented rack panel, and the 2U hinged and vented rack panel. The 2U blank rack panel and 2U vented rack panel can both be installed easily onto the rack without the need of tools, while the 2U hinged and vented rack panel is accompanied with 2 cage nuts and 2 panel screws. The blank rack panel is ideal if you want privacy and want to conceal what's inside the rack. This is the 2U blank rack panel. We'll now be installing it. After tightening the 4 spots, it's now secured, and this completes the installation. The vented rack panel is made with a vented design that promotes cooling and heat dissipation within the rack. We'll now be installing the 2U vented rack panel. After it's tightened, it's secured in place, and that completes the installation. We'll now install the 2U hinged and vented rack panel, starting with the cage nuts first. We'll now tighten it with 2 screws. After the screws are tightened, you can open it to see if it's working. And that completes the installation. That's all for the installation of the 3 various panels. If you need any additional information, feel free to go to the link below. That's all for now. Bye.